ESPN College Football, brought to you by Temptations, the treat cats can't resist, and Vicks.
We've got an infinite list of people to thank at the Ag School here at Fresno State for giving us a tour, letting us embarrass ourselves for a little while yesterday, roping some pretend calves going out to the winery, thanks to Tom Montgomery, the winemaker there, and of course to the dairy as well. Mike Couzens, Kirk, Morrison, thanks so much for being here with us tonight in Fresno, California, San Joaquin Valley, most productive agricultural region in the world. Got sweet corn here. What was your highlight yesterday?
I didn't think I was going to be able to rope a cow. I'm
listening.
I know you're listening. You're listening and eating at the same time. No, yesterday was amazing. Not only just being around the cows, the pasture, the horses. I was sweating profusely, and you did not bring a towel to help me when I sweat, but it's okay. I'm hungry now, but man, what a place to be, Fresno, California. Thank you for the hospitality.
And for the corn.
Can I stop talking so I can eat now?
Can I get some floss? It's phenomenal.
It's actually really good.
This is not cooked, by the way.
Right.
This is just shucked and eaten.
There's a rumor there's a corn eating contest at halftime, so I'll be.
You'll be running down to the field.
I think I may run down to the field and try to get involved in that.
I mean, it was a really eye-opening experience. I grew up in New York on a quarter acre, and never could have imagined that you could go to school for viticulture and to study how to be a winemaker, or to, you know, as you did yesterday, learn how to milk a cow.
Yes, I milked a cow.